Hello again, everyone. I hope you are all well. Today I will take you around one of the historical places here in Oman. This is the Al-Mirani fort, located in the old town of Muscat. It is in 1 hour exploration. I did my best to shorten the video and show you the full beauty of Al-Mirani fort. Fort Al-Mirani is a fort located in the harbor of the city of Old Muscat, Oman. The fort existed prior to the Portuguese invasion and was later rebuilt by the Portuguese in 1587. The fort became the first to use cannons in Oman. Al-Mirani is a fixture on all Muscat tours. Most include photo ops at Old Muscat's harbor front to see Al-Mirani and Al Jalali, and the Al-Alam Palace, also overlooking the bay. Other ways to see Al-Mirani include boat trips that sail past the bay, hop-on, hop-off bus tours, and evening tours that showcase the harborside when both forts are beautifully illuminated by floodlights. The easiest way to visit Al-Mirani is on a Muscat tour that covers the sites of Old Muscat and includes hotel pickup and drop-off. The nearest bus stop is at Old Muscat's Al-Alam Palace roundabout, about a 10-minute walk away. If you're driving, follow Old Muscat's Bab al-Muthaib Street to Al-Mirani, where parking spaces sit directly below the fortifications. You can admire Al-Mirani anytime you wish, 365 days a year. The harborside below the fort can get busy with tour groups, but they usually disperse quickly. The most striking views come at sundown, when the fading sun casts a fiery light over the harbor. The fort is floodlit at night, which promises some spectacular photos. Legend has it that Al-Mirani was key to the ousting of Oman's Portuguese occupiers in the 17th century. When a Portuguese commander wanted to marry the daughter of a local supplier, the latter pretended to agree while secretly removing all the fort's gunpowder and then signaling this to Oman's Sultan. The Sultan duly struck, prompting the departure of the Portuguese soon after. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.